Say hi. Ameythst has officially received her new 12 to, I think it's 12, 13, 14 month box from Lovevery. And we're about to unbox it and see what she got. I kind of know what she's gotten because I've seen some of the stuff, but I know she's going to enjoy it. And I hope you guys enjoy the review as well. And let's get into it. So I'm going to open it up. You're going to let mommy open the box up. Ooh. Designed by experts for your baby's development brain. I'm just going to let her... Normally I do all the unboxing in the past, but I think I'm just going to let her see what she wants to play with. These are the items pretty much that's inside the box. We have a Big Time for Zoe book, and I'm really excited about the ball drop, which is this slide and seek ball run. We have some circle puzzles. The round circle puzzles is a flexible wooden stacker. Posting lid and carrot lids with carrots and a coin drop box, pretty much. Once again, these are the items. And some of these items I already received in her past boxes, like some of the coins. So we're going to remove this off so she can see what it is. Now these are basically the only toys that I really buy her. She gets a subscription box and she plays with those toys mostly. There's some other things she has, but I really love Lovevery. She really enjoys them. So we have this little guy under there, this young lady under here, this young gentleman under here, and these are getting smaller as I go down and pick them up. And then we have, I don't know if you can see her, this young lady right here. Ameythst. Look, mama. One. Now they originally give you these are one of the first puzzles that they give you. It's something like this, and she likes taking puzzles apart. She doesn't like necessarily putting them together, but she likes taking them apart. And I'm sorry if this camera is leaning. I hope it's not, because but this is the first puzzle she actually got, and she occasionally goes. She's teased on it. She's done just about everything with this this puzzle. And now what are we doing? So this is the carrot and coin drop box. And everything's always beautifully wooden crafted. I love that. But if she's gonna let me get the top. So this is the top. And her last box she received a wallet. And inside that wallet was something in which she could drop her she could carry coins and have her own credit card and stuff. Are you eating the carrots? She's eating the carrots. So these are the coins. I'm gonna show her how this works. She might get it, she might not. She's already teasing on the other knob. Mommy doesn't want that. You wanna put this in? Look. You wanna try? Yeah, I put it in the slot. This is the wallet from last time, and these are the coins. 1, 2, 3. I think I'm missing the first one. And they give you little credit cards. So I'm going to put those in here as well. Hence why I said they still have all the stuff that you could use. And this one is the carrot top stack. So we're going to change this out. Mommy's going to put this in here. So that's on there now. And I'm not sure how these guys are supposed to stick in there. I might be wrong. But I thought that's what they did, but I might be wrong. Like I said, it's kind of like an unboxing with her. But she's going to try to stab. Oh, no, no. You want to give me that? Okay, thank you. Whew, that's hard to get off. We're going to come back to trying the carrots. So this is the rings. Various colors. And, oh! Because I'm silly. This is for the carrots, guys. There are 3 different lids. So hold on. This is for the carrots. I feel special. This is for the carrots. And so she can push the carrots in here through the hole. The coins are in there too. You want to put the carrot through the hole? Put the carrot through the hole. Yeah, he goes in there. Yeah. So she's going to have a little bag. Now she likes carrying things. She's always been one to carry things. This is a felt bag. And inside the little felt bag is the cutest little bunnies. Look at that. That's so cute. So I'm going to show her. If I can get them out. I got little hands thing with this. Ameythst, look. The bunny. So it looks like there's a really dark gray bunny as well as the 2 light gray bunnies. Mommy's going to put them in there. Boop. Boop. Here is our book, Bedtime with Zoe. I'm going to read this with her tonight. They always send you a book that goes over what you can do with the items that you receive. And I think I see the ring that I was looking for. So she's gotten 2 balls, different colors. And this is the big boy that we were waiting for, but I'm going to give that to her last. Because this is what goes with the stacking ring so that she can bend the stick to her wheel. And I'm going to show her how to do it. Now, when they sent the first ring thing, she would just constantly remove the rings off. It was a fun game before me and her. Hey, Mama, look. 1, 2. She always wants to take things apart. That is like her main thing. I need to take things apart. You gonna put it in there? You try to get it on there? Oh, look at Kid trying to get it on there. Alright, Mommy doesn't want you to put the stuff back in the box though, because we're gonna box the stuff. You wanna have some fun time with that? You wanna take that out of the box too? Okay, that's fine. We'll throw this away. Mommy's gonna close the box. I've been keeping the boxes because when we get ready to move, I will then have boxes for all her Lovevery items to go into. So I've just been keeping a hold on. So, you ready? You ready for the big one? Come here, boo-boo. Look how well this is made, guys. Look at that. So, I'm going to see if she really likes it. No, that doesn't go in there. Mommy's going to show you what goes in there. Ball. That's right. Go ahead. Push. You want to do it? Push. Yay! Now, in with one of her other Lovevery boxes. And so I'm going to see if she wants to try to put those on there. And I feel like it's really good that all her previous toys can work well with these. And then she has the felt balls. We're going to try the felt balls too. She had a couple of those. Felt balls kind of get stuck, so we're not going to use those. But her other balls fit there nicely, and she likes this as well. Look, Mama, the ball. So the balls have a little side entry that she can learn to pull out. She can either go in by her hand with it. There's a push there, pull door here, and a pull with her finger open here, and then she can also reach in and grab it. Get the ball. Get the ball. Don't throw them at me. Now the ones that come with it, they seem to be a bit wider so that you have to push. But like the hard balls from her first Lovevery box seems to just drop in there. Push, 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 push. You like it? So this box is of course pricey, but like I said, you get so much with it. I can't for the life of me remember what this is for. So guys, this is hilarious to me. It's a post-it lid, so you can pick pretty much anything that will stand up that the baby won't get hurt playing with. She is always, forever, trying to take Q-tips. And so that's why I was like, I knew it was a fun idea when I saw it, but I couldn't remember what. And so I'm going to give her 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 Q-tips that I'm going to probably keep in store for her for a Ziploc bag until I can find something else that's fun for her to play with to put into this. But that is just awesome because she is always taking Q-tips and sticking them in stuff. So to give her a spot where she can actually stick them works for me. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I love Lovevery. Lovevery. And I recommend it to any mom who wants toys for their children that helps them think as well as helps them with their communication skills, with their hand and coordination, using their mind and their brain, basically STEM. She like I said, majority of her toys is from Lovevery, and she rarely has any toys that really make sounds and music, unless it's music related, because she really loves music stuff, especially the radio. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen the videos. But I hope you guys try it out if possible. I am not I'm not partnered with them. I would love to be, but I'm not partnered with them. I just think that this is just awesome. And you saw how quickly she zoomed in on playing with all the items in the box. And whenever other kids come by, they are always in her corner playing with her stuff. Alright guys, I will see you around. Thank you for watching. Bye! Cheater! Thank you. Yeah, that's not supposed to be in there. It's supposed to go in here. brush.